The civil authorities have issued a fire warning for Plymouth, CA, beginning at 6:37 p.m. and ending at 9:07 p.m. This is the Plymouth County Sheriff. This is a warning only. If the situation changes, additional alerts will be sent with updated information. The civil authorities have issued a fire warning for Plymouth, CA, beginning at 6:37 p.m. and ending at 9:07 p.m. This is the Plymouth County Sheriff's Office with an evacuation warning for the area of Dixie Valley due to wildfire. Please make preparations to evacuate. This is a warning only. If the situation changes, additional alerts will be sent with updated information.
What the hell is that?